Vegetarian my ass.
Just get it up in that nasal cavity higher.
Great little washer. In this episode, we finish our anchor sale, continue prepping to leave Marathon, and I get COVID, which threatens to delay our passage to the Bahamas. Finally figure out a laundry solution that works for us, and by us, I mean me. We take a break from all the work and sail to Newfound Harbor for a relaxing weekend with our friends. Yes, you
Put me in the shot.
because you made the sale.
A needle, it's grid.
That's a lie. Fixed your sail-right machine, sewing machine. Now we've got the wind going the other way. This helps us from swinging back and forth at anchor or mooring ball, whichever. Vegetarian my ass. Can't get turtles or dolphins on film, but we can get sharks. Books I didn't write.
What do you have?
Our chart books for the Bahamas. All 3 books.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
More excited than Kinsley was with her book?
I'm as excited.
Just get it up in that nasal cavity higher. Higher.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. Did you set the timer for 15 minutes?
Yep.
The line is there. It's very faint. You still have COVID.
I'm still testing positive for COVID, but I
Say that
don't
you-
have COVID.
Yeah, you have COVID. It's all in your nose.
And you didn't think I stuck it up my nose far enough.
Here, look at it.
So, are you sure? Positive results. Oh, yeah. It's not faint, it's dark.
Yeah, you can see it.
Yep, I have COVID.
My video. There we go. Now,
Hi.
action! What are we doing now?
We are anchored out just out of the Key Harbor, and we are making water and having a few beers for Friday night. That's what we're doing as I recover from COVID.
And we're gonna make burgers later.
Oh, can't wait for burgers.
Flying along at 4 knots in 7 knots of wind. It's a close race, but Tammy Ann has us edged out on the way to Newfound Harbor. That's another bridge to nowhere. Look at that gap there. I wonder why Pastrana didn't jump that.
I know crane to get him off of the top of the bridge.
Probably.
all the work.
Archie, who's driving?
Maggie.
Maggie May.
We took a break from all of the boat work and sailed to Newfound Harbor with our friends Rick and Tammy for a relaxing weekend. And anytime two sailboats are within sight of each other, the race is on. Resort on Munson Key is a rate of $3,000 a night. I think we have better accommodations, don't we? For way less.
I like my bed.
Headed to the anchorage.
Chips and salsa, chips and queso. Haven't done it yet, but we're going to heat up the tortillas here. This is the carnitas. And that's all. And beer.
So here is all the things that I moved in order to get to the washing machine, which we are going to take out and start laundry.
Heavy?
Eh. After a lot of research, we finally ordered our washing machine for the boat. It is made by Comfy and is 0.9 cubic feet and washes and spins the clothes almost dry. You can adjust the water usage, the washing time, how many rinses, and how long it spins. With the high cost of laundromats, this little washer has already paid for itself. So, we've got this for the drain. And I pull this up. That's where it'll all drain. And then take the shower head off. That's the water supply. If you couldn't tell from previous episodes, not having a washing machine was driving me crazy. This was a non-negotiable.
How you feel?
Seasick. Another laundry day.
How's Archie?
You feel good.
You good, Archie?
for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore.
Thanks so much for watching, and hit that subscribe button so we can see you next week. And a special thanks to our subscribers who've already done that. It means a lot.